Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to our online math class of ICANN Academy. My name is Mohammad Rafiq Choudhury, and today I am here to teach you unitary method, which is a very important part in the Cadet College admission test syllabus. So before I start the class, I would like to say that please subscribe to our YouTube channel, Facebook page, and join our Facebook group to get all the relevant updates related to Cadet College admission test. So dear students, now we will see the steps of unitary method. So there are three steps of unitary method. The first one is organizing the given data, finding the unit value, and determining the desired value. So why do we need the three steps? Let us go through an example. Suppose the price of 5 pencils is 20 taka. You went to a store. The shopkeeper said the price of 5 pencils is 20 taka. So you want to buy 3 pencils. So how would you determine the price of 3 pencils? You can take the helps of these three steps. So why do we need unitary method? We need unitary method to find the answers of different types of maths in our real life or solve different type of real life based problems. So first we see the steps. The first step is organizing the given data. So I told you the price of 5 pencils is 20 taka. So we have to find the price of pencil. So the price of pencils will be on the right side of the equal sign. So 5 pencils So look, in the first step, I have organized the given data, that is 5 pencils cost 20 taka. Then on the next step, I have to find the unit value, that is compare the number of pencils with one, that is compare the price of one pencils with this, or find the price of one pencil. So price of one pencil, that is to find the price of one pencils, we have to divide 20 taka by 5. That is 4 taka. So the price of one pencil is 4 taka. So in the third step, we have to find the desired value, or we have to determine the desired value. So our desired value will be what is the price of 3 pencils. So look, in the second step, we found that the price of one pencil is 4 taka. So the price of 3 pencil will be, therefore price of 3 pencils So the price of 3 pencils is 12 taka, which is our desired value. Thank you. Now we will see different types of examples related to these steps. At first we will see an example and then we will solve one question. Now we will go through the different steps with the help of an example. So I have a given question here. That is, the price of 3 pencils is 150 taka. So now I will find the unit value. So if the price of 3 pencils is 150 taka, so I have to find the price of one pencil. So look, in the first step, we will organize the given data, that is price of 3 pencils equal to 150 taka. This is the step 1. This is the step 1, okay? So I have to organize the given data. We have to keep in mind that we are about to find the price of pencils, okay? So the entire question is, so let me write the entire question. So the question is, if the price of 3 pencils is 150 taka, so find the price of 7 pencils. So in the first step, we have to organize the given data. So the given data is price of 3 pencils equals to 150 taka. I have to find the price, not the number of pencils. So what I have to find out at the end of the entire process have to be kept on the right side of equal sign. So I will place the price of pencils on the left side and the price of 3 pencils on the right side. So this is step 1, price of 3 pencils equals to 150 taka. And the next step is finding unit value. Finding unit value means finding the price of one pencil. So price of one pencil equals to 150 divided by 3 equals to 50 taka. So this is our step 2. So we have seen step 1 and step 2 with an example. Now we will go to step 3. Dear student, now we will jump into the final step, and the final step is finding the desired value. So our question was, if the price of 3 pencils is 150 taka, we have to find out the price of 7 pencils. So from our previous slide, we found that the price of 1 pencil is 50 taka. So the price of 1 pencil equals to 50 taka. Now the final step is we have to find the desired value, and the desired value is what is the price of 7 pencils. So if the price of 1 pencil is 50 taka, so the price of 7 pencils will be 50 multiplied by 7, which equals to 350 taka. So I hope all of you understood this example with the help of 3 steps. Dear students, for your better understanding, we have categorized the questions into 2 different parts. So the first category is 12 people can complete a task in 18 days. In how many days can 15 people do the same task? So this is a very important question from Cadet College Admission Test 2021, which reminds us that how important this topic is in our syllabus. So the first step is 12 people can do a task in 18 days, or 12 people do a task in 18 days. This is our given information, or this is our given data. We have arranged the given data through this line, and the second line is one person does the same task in 12 into 18 days. So before we do this, we have to keep in mind one thing, that if value increase, if value increases, we have to follow the process of multiplication. If the value decrease, we have to follow the process of division. So here, the task which 12 people do in 18 days will take more time when one person will do the same task. So that is why the value of, or the number of days will increase. One more thing to be noted, that we have to find the number of days. So the number of days should be placed in the right side of the equal sign. So 12 people do one task in 18 days. So now in the second step, we have to find the unit value, that is find how many days, in how many days the work can be done by one person. So one person does the same task in 12 into 18 days. Now which things determine that whether this will be a multiplication or division. So now I have written here, if value increases, if value increases, we have to follow the process of multiplication, and if value decreases, we have to follow the process of division. So definitely one person will take more time to complete the task. That is why we have multiplied 12 into 18. Okay. So the next step is finding the desired value, and the desired value is in how many days can 15 people do the same task, and the third step is finding the desired value. Now the desired value is in how many days the work can be done by 15 people. So one thing we should keep in mind, that each lines in unitary method is related to this, to its previous line. That is, this line is related to this line is related to this line. So 15 people will do the same task in, that is one thing we have marked here, that is this line is related to this line. So if 15 people do the same task, they will definitely take less time than one person. So if the value decreases, we have to follow the process of division. So here this is, look, 12 into 18, this is the value, or this is the number of days which one person will take to complete the task. Now we have divided this value with 15, because the number of days which will be required for 15 people to do this task will be less than one person's number of days. So we have to divide this value. Now we will go through the calculations. 12 into 18 divided by 15. So if we divide 15 by 3, the answer is 5. If we divide 12 by 3, the answer is 4. So here we will multiply 4 into 18 over 5. 4 into 18 equals to 72, and we'll have 5 here. So the answer is 72 by 5 days. Now if I divide this, 72 divided by 5, 5 14s are 14 multiplied by 5 equals to 70. The remainder is 2, that is 14 whole 2 by 5 days. So the final answer is 14 whole 2 by 5 days. Now we will solve another math from this category for your better understanding. Dear students, now we will solve an example from question category 1, and before we solve this example, I'd like to tell that those students who will be able to solve this question, you can post the picture of the solution to our Facebook group, which will be given in the description part of this video, and we will check the answers. Now let's jump into this question and see the process how to solve this question. The question is, if the price of 36 bags is 1800 taka, what is the price of 15 bags? So my given information is the price of 13 bags is 1800 taka, and we have to find the value of the price of 15 bags. So in step 1, we have to arrange the given data. So what is the given data? The given data is the price of 36 bags is 1800 taka. Now one more thing we have to see is whether we have to find the price of bags or the number of bags. So we have to find the prices of bags, that is the price of 15 bags. So the price of bags will be on the right side of the equal sign. So now let's solve this question. Price of 36 bags equals to 1800 taka. This is our step 1. This is our step 1, organizing the given data. Now the step 2 is finding the unit value, that is finding the price of one bag. Therefore price of one bag. Now one more thing we have to see, that is whether the price of one bag will be less than the price of 36 bag or more than the price of 36 bag. So the price of one bag will definitely be less than the price of 36 bag. So here we have to follow the process of division, or we have to divide this price, that is the price of 36 bag, or we have to divide this price by 36. 1800 divided by 36 taka. So this is the price of one bag. Now what is the desired value? We have to find the price of 15 bags. So therefore in step 3 we have to find the price of 15 bags. Now look at this part. Price of 15 bags will definitely be more than the price of one bag. So we have to multiply the price of one bag with 15. So what is the price of one bag? The price of one bag is this portion, that is 1800 divided by 36 and multiplied by 15, that is the total price of 15 bags. Now let's see the calculation. 36 and 15 both are divisible by 3. So if we divide 36 by 3, we will get 12. And if we divide 15 by 3, we will get 5. Now 12 and 1800, both of these numbers are also divisible by 3. If we divide 12 by 3, we will get 4. And if we divide 1800 by 3, we will get 600. Now further, we will divide 600 by 4, we will get 150. So the final answer is 150 multiplied by 5. 5 zeros are zeros, 5 fives are 25. We have 2 in hand, 5 ones are 5 and 2 7. The final answer is 750 taka. So I hope all of you understood this math from our example. Thank you. Thank you, dear students. That was all for today. In our next class, we will see some more examples relevant to different categories of this chapter. And before I finish, I would like to say that please follow us in different social media platforms, subscribe our YouTube channel, and join our Facebook group to get notified in terms of such videos. And if you have any suggestions or queries, please comment on these videos. We will try to meet your queries. Thank you very much.
I Can Academy. I can make it possible.